This is Jonesy SPP, and this is a Vidmar cabinet lock. You can see it's locked here. I don't actually have a key for it. This is a slider lock. And it's got sliders on either side, and there is no springs in there to provide any tension on those sliders. You can only pick it in one direction till it's all the way picked, and then you would have to pick it back in the opposite direction to get it to lock back up this way. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I think I've picked the first side. Okay, so I've picked the first half of it. It locks up in this position here, and then you have to repick the top section. I think that's what it was. Yeah, you have to repick the top section again. Okay, there you go. So it is now picked fully, and as you can see, now that it's picked in that direction, it should be locked up. Now it's locked up, and so in order to open it, I would have to pick it in the opposite direction. These Vidmar locks cannot be gutted without destroying the lock itself, but you can kind of see inside there. Anyways, this is Jonesy SPP. Thanks for watching.